What sound is that? Yes, it's the sound of the waves. 是海浪的声音哦。我们今天要讲的故事就是一个跟海边有关的故事。Town is by the sea。国际安徒生大奖得奖者，我家在海边。它还有另外一个中文名字哦，叫做《等爸爸回家》。我们一起来享受这个温馨的故事吧。From my house, I can see the sea. 在我家里可以看到海洋。It goes like this: house, road, grassy cliff, and town spreads out this way and that. My father is a miner, and he works under the sea, deep down in the coal mines. 好的，小朋友们，我们来看一下这个图片。Look at the picture. Why are they wearing helmets? 为什么他们会戴头盔呢？ Who are these people? 他们是谁呀？They are the miners. 他们是矿工。Where do you think they are going? 你猜猜他们现在要去哪里呢？ Yes, they are going to work in a coal mine. 是的，他们现在正要前往矿场工作。When I wake up, it goes like this. 当我起床时候，像是这样子的。First, I hear the seagulls. Then, I hear a dog barking. A car goes by on the shore road. Someone slams the door and shouts good morning. And along the road, lupins and cream and sleighs rustle in the wind. First thing when I look out the window is the sea. 我从窗外望出去，第一件看到的东西就是海洋。And I know my father is already deep down under the sea, digging for coal. 我知道我的爸爸已经在海洋底下挖矿了。小朋友，我们来看一下这个图片。Where are they? 他们在哪里呢？ Underground, 地底下。In a mine, 在一个矿区。What are they doing? 他们在做些什么呢？ They are working, digging for coal. 他们在工作，挖煤矿。Is it bright or dark? 这里是亮的地方还是黑暗的地方呢？ How do you think it feels in the mine? 你觉得在矿区、矿坑里面是什么样的感受呢？ Is it dark, cold, wet, or dangerous? 是哪一个呢？ When I go out in the morning, it goes like this. 早上是像是这个样子的。I run out of my house and knock at my friend's door, and we head down to the old rickety playground. 早上我起来，去我朋友家的门口敲门，叩叩叩，然后我们一起跑向那个残破老旧的游戏区。好，今天要教大家一个单字 rickety。Rickety 在这边是什么意思呢？就是摇摇晃晃的意思，老旧、摇摇晃晃的意思。Rickety in bad condition and therefore weak and likely to break. There are only 2 swings left now, one for big kids and one for babies. 现在这个游乐场只剩下2个荡秋千了，一个是给大孩子坐的，一个是给 baby 坐的。There used to be 4. One broke, and the other one is wound so high around the top post it will never come down. 有一个坏了，有一个被卷得高高的，而且再也不会下来了。I don't care. I stand in the baby one, and my friend swings on the big one. We go so high, butterflies rush through my stomach. 我们荡得好高，好高，好高啊！当你说 There's a butterfly in your stomach, that means you feel excited and worried at the same time. 就是你七上八下的意思。There's a butterfly in your stomach. We go so high, I can see far out to sea. 我们晃得好高好高，可以看到远远的海边耶。Far out at sea, the waves have white tips. And deep down under the sea, my father is digging for coal. When I go home for lunch, it goes like this. 当我回家吃午餐的时候，像是这个样子的。My mother has a ham sandwich on the table and a tall glass of milk. I gulp it down and eat a big pile of carrots. 我们来看一下这个图片，小男孩的盘子里是不是有红萝卜呢？ A pile of carrots 就是一堆红萝卜的意思。在国外呢，很多人吃午餐的时候呢，他们就会只单吃生的 carrots 哦，他们就会拿起来直接放嘴巴。A pile of carrots。好，今天我们教大家 gulp it down。Gulp it down 就是狼吞虎咽，吃得很快的意思哦。当你很饿的时候，你就会 gulp it down. My mom says I need your help now. She sends me to the shop with a list for the grocer. 我妈妈说她需要我的帮忙，她给我一张清单，让我去杂货店买东西。The shop is only a couple of streets away on Main Street. The kitchen door slams on the way out. Boom. Even walking slowly, I get to the shop in no time. 即使我走得很慢，我也是很快就抵达了。In no time, no time 就是不需要时间，也就是很短的时间的意思。It is so sunny today. The sea is sparkling. And deep down under the sea, my father is digging for coal. In the afternoon, it goes like this. 下午像是这个样子的。I go to the graveyard to visit my grandfather, my father's father. He was a miner too. The air smells like salt. I can taste it on my tongue. My grandfather used to say, bury me facing the sea by. I work long and hard on the ground. When there are big storms here, the waves crash against the shore, battering his gravestone with salt-soaked spray. That's okay. My grandfather is used to storms. Battering 就是 hitting 的意思，重击、打击的意思。Boom. Today the sea is all calm and quiet. And deep down under the sea, my father is digging for coal. Where is the boy's father? 小朋友的爸爸在哪里呢？ At supper time, it goes like this. 晚餐时间像是这个样子。My father comes home from work. He has black smudges on his face from working the coal. He looks tired, but he gives me a big smile and a hug. His long workday is over, and he is home safe and sound. 好了，我们来看一下这图片哦，小朋友，你觉得 Why is the father smiling？ 为什么这个爸爸会对小男孩微笑呢？当你的爸爸妈妈回家的时候，你的感觉会是什么样子的呢？ Do you hug your family after a long day？ 在一天辛苦学习之后，你会不会抱抱你的家人呢？故事里面有提到，爸爸脸上有 black smudges。Black smudges 就是黑黑的痕迹，因为爸爸在矿坑里工作，对吗？所以难免脸上会有点黑黑的这个碳的痕迹。Black smudges。再来，故事里面有提到 safe and sound。Safe and sound 是什么意思呢？就是平安归来的意思。He showers and puts on clean clothes and comes down to eat. My mother has been cooking, and the kitchen smells like chicken stew and potatoes. I listen to the ball game on the radio while I set the table. Okay, everybody, let's take a look of the picture. 我们来看一下图片哦。What is everybody doing right now? Mother's cooking. 妈妈在煮饭。The boy setting the table because dinner is coming. 小男孩在帮忙布置餐桌，因为即将要吃晚餐咯。晚餐有两种说法，第一种叫做 dinner， 第二种叫做 supper。Supper 是更口语的表达方式哦。小朋友，你们会不会跟小男孩一样，在吃饭前帮家里布置餐桌呢？ After dinner, my mother and father sit on the balcony drinking cups of tea and talking. 晚餐后，小男孩的爸爸跟妈妈坐在阳台喝茶，然后聊天。小朋友们，你们吃完饭后是不是也是会坐在一起聊聊天、看看电视、吃吃水果呢？享受温馨 温暖的家庭时光。The sun sets slowly, sinking into the sea. 太阳缓缓落下，沉入大海。Deep down under that sea is where my father digs for coal. 我们来看一下这个图片，这个画面是不是好温馨呢？我在想，这可能是小男孩一整天最欢乐的时光。At night time, it goes like this. 晚上的时候像是这个样子的。As I fall asleep, I can hear the whooshing back and forth of the waves. I think about the sea, and I think about my father. I think about the bright days of summer and the dark tunnels underground. One day, it will be my turn. 我想着明亮的夏天，也想着漆黑的地道。有一天呢，就会轮到我了。I am a miner's son. 我是矿工的儿子。In my town, that's the way it goes. 在我住的小镇，生活就像是这个样子。The end. 以上是我们今天分享的故事。Town is by the sea. Thank you for listening to Town is by the sea with me. I hope this story made you feel calm, just like the sound of the waves. 希望大家喜欢今天我分享的故事，希望这个故事也可以带给大家平静，就像海浪的声音一样。好啦，送故事书的时间又到了，只要按赞还有留言给我们，就有机会可以获得今天这本故事书哦。请听好了，我们的问题是 What makes you feel warm and happy at home? 什么事情是让你可以在家里感觉到温暖又开心的呢？请留言给我们哦。Is it playing with your sibling or eating dinner with your family? 是跟你的兄弟姐妹一起玩乐，还是跟家人一起吃晚餐呢？你可以打中文跟英文给我，都 OK， 没有问题哦。Tell me in the comments, I really want to know. 喜欢今天影片的朋友，请记得按赞、订阅、分享、开启小铃铛。我是 Miss Vivian， 请准时收看 Miss Vivian 儿童英语教室所带来的故事节目。如果想要学英文的朋友，欢迎加入爱美英语。学英文就在爱美英语。再次谢谢大家收看，我们下次再见，拜拜。